Hi, my name is Dr. Khurrid Sharif. I'm a root canal specialist. I'm the co-founder at Endomax Dental and Implant Center. So our dental center is located on Jaimahal Main Road, Nandidurga Extension, Bengaluru. So talking about our dental center, it's a multi-speciality clinic where each and every patient is treated by the specialist itself. So we have a team of doctors, right from say gum specialist, then I myself am a root canal specialist, and then say maxillofacial surgery. There's something called maxillofacial surgery and implantology, and then we have something called as periodontist, basically specialized for kids or children. And then so we have innumerous kind of doctors who work in our clinic. So our mission statement is that any patient who walks into our clinic, we believe that they are our extended family. They basically walk in with the hope of having something like better teeth so that we are able to give them that better health. So I generally carry on with single sitting root canal therapy. There are cases wherein you require two sittings depending on the clinical signs and symptoms of the patient. So depending on that, I even go ahead with two sitting endodontics, and we also provide some of the recent advancements like say for example laser root canal therapy. We also give this kind of recent technology in our clinic. Apart from that, I also go ahead with performing root canal procedures under magnification with the help of loupes, wherein your work becomes more precise and the quality of treatment which is delivered to the patient is more better. So apart from performing root canal procedures, I also run an academy called Dr. Khurrid Sharif Academy of Endodontia, wherein the patients come from all over India. So one of the basic procedure which is carried out in our dental practice or any dental practice is root canal procedure. A patient always comes with pain. So pain is one of the most important indication to carry out the root canal procedure in most of the cases. I cannot say all cases, but yes, most of the cases depending on the extent of decay. So most of the participants come with the hope of providing a better or say like a quality treatment to the patient. So I